Makhosi. Ngiyanibingelela nina lapha emakhaya to another installment and episode of Kemi TV. Igedla lamashkrishkr as usually leli. Inyanga yamakhosi. And I welcome you guys. I hope you guys are having a great week bakwethu, and I hope you're keeping warm. Ubusika bugile. Ubusika bugile. Ensure ukuthi you take your multivitamins, you take your vitamin C, you stay warm because it rained a lot. There's a lot of water under the ground, so kuzobanda this winter. Mara asikho lapho. Bakwethu, I'm sure you've seen the thumbnail. It's singing straight to it. 5 signs that you're experiencing a spiritual awakening. Umntana abantu wayehamba emahlathini athi uyothenga inhloko yengulube to cook tonight for the family, and happened ukuthi andlule endleleni eyiphambene kuwukuthi inyanga thizeni beyigqibe into eyokudonsa amathwasa, yokudonsa ama-patient, and now this person starts having water dreams, this person starts seeing this, starts seeing that, and you believe you are having a spiritual awakening. But are you really having a spiritual awakening? Are you chosen for the spiritual path ukuze you do not veer from the purpose which you came for here on earth? You came for a specific purpose. Wena usufuna ukuba umelaphi, usufuna ukuba igedla, usufuna ukuba isanusi, ukuthi awukhethelwanga lokho. So today we are unveiling the 5 signs that you're experiencing a spiritual awakening. And number 2, kumele ngicacise ukuthi a spiritual awakening isn't only under the condition ukuthi you must have a spiritual gift or you must be a chosen one. Cha. A spiritual awakening can occur because your consciousness is separating from flock or cloud mentality and you are being crystallized. You are beginning to understand deeper spiritual truths of the universe, whether whether they include African traditional healing, whether they include African spirituality or its universal spirituality, Eastern mysticism. You are having a spiritual awakening to see ukuthi life is much more than just your daily worries. Ukuthi kumele ngigeze, kumele ngidle, I'm craving croissants and caviar. So it's not exclusive. If you're having a spiritual awakening, you have to be a healer or you have some office you must occupy spiritually. We need to clarify that. But let's get into the 5 signs. Emotional highs and lows without a reason. A lot of you that begin having spiritual awakenings will find ukuthi you begin at the beginning you have volatile emotions. One day you might wake up high, the next day you wake up very low. One day you might wake up feeling like I can take over the world, the next day you sitting there and at worst of worst abanye benu nithi Nkosi yami mangavuleka umhlaba ungigwinye, ngihambe la emhlabeni nje ngihambe ngibe idlozi physically eliphila ngaphansi komhlaba. I wish I could die. That's how far it goes. You experience intense emotions, sudden joy, deep sadness, without an obvious cause. There's times where you just feel like I'm not going to work. There's times where you feel like, hey, I could really do this today. I really, really want this promotion. Awazi ukuthi idalwa yini. This is your energy recalibrating because you've separated from the flock. You are crystallizing as an individual soul. So you will start shedding old patterns because you are preparing for your uncomfortable spiritual growth. And the beginning will always start with this sign. Sudden interest in ancestral knowledge, in spiritual knowledge. That would be sign number 2. Izinto bongazingeni, izinto bongazinaki. You start taking interest in them. You find yourself drawn to your roots. You find yourself trying to find out ukuthi ngubani, abantu basekhaya bakuphi, what bloodlines are connected to me. I should do a DNA test because ngilokhu ngiphupha ama-China, ngilokhu ngiphupha ama-Juda. Even if you never cared before, this is a call from your lineage. This is a call from the universe that supports and is guiding you towards your awakening. This would be sign number 2. You have a sudden interest in spiritual deep knowledge or in ancestral knowledge. Sign number 3, you are seeing what we call synchronicity occurrences. What you're seeing repetitive numbers, you're seeing symbols, you're seeing omens, and you are aware. You are a person ukuthi mawubona into, you don't just say, manje ngiyibonile, what am I supposed to do? Yeah, my phone for the last couple of days, every time, by the time ngiyilighta ngibheka, it says 1111. So we should see, it is what it is. But you are now being connected. You're seeing these numbers, you're seeing these omens, and you're seeing these symbols. These aren't coincidences. You're starting to be connected with the higher realms, with the spiritual realms. They are spiritual messages that are guiding you into your transformation. 333, you are at the right place at the right time. 666, it is time to let go of what is no longer serving you, and it is time to break away and change. You see feathers suddenly when you feel like you are alone. Ithunywa, ingilosi zakini through that are letting you know ukuthi sinawe, siyakubona, musukhala ngane yami. We are watching you and we are guiding you. Uthi uhleli kungena inyosi endlini izulazule iphume. Abogogo bayakuvakashela just to show you ukuthi our presence is there. We are forever watching you and making sure ukuthi you are okay. All right, you must pay attention to these signs because they hold guidance from the universal energies, from your ancestors, and from those that are vouching for you to win, including me. Kosiam. Sign number 4, a desire to isolate and detox from people or society. We've had that. A lot of us spiritual children, or a lot of us that went through spiritual awakenings, it even happens after sundlulile evukweni kwakho. Ukuthi you'll feel like, yazini, I don't want to be around people for at least 7 days. I just want to be alone. By one, I want to isolate. I don't want to be around people. And you crave solitude and you crave silence. It happens to a lot of you. I've seen it a lot of times with my own mentees. This is impawu mabafika kimi bathi mkhulu, I need to be mentored. Generally, they'll be in this phase. This isn't loneliness. People mustn't think, yo, this person is so lonely. They're always alone. They're not out there with a community. They're not interacting with people. They are going through a detox. They are shedding energies that no longer serve them in order for them to tune in with their inner voice. Khumula lokhu okukuwe kwakudala, all your old habits, your thinking patterns, your emotions. You don't need any influence from outside while doing this. And so you, konje bebathini in 2020, you are spiritually quarantined. You are in quarantine in order to connect with your higher self, in order to connect with your guides. And that's why sign number 4 would be your desire to isolate or to detox from society and people. Sign number 5, feeling a calling to serve a higher purpose. It's no longer enough ukuthi uyavuka, uya emsebenzini, uyabuya, udla spaghetti bolognese with a glass of Chardonnay. Kodwa kusasa mawuvuka, you're just gonna contemplate ukuthi, okay, what am I gonna have tonight? The mundane processes of normal life, ukuthi, okay, this weekend, just ukuthi ngiphume ngiyohlangana nabangani bami. The mundane processes no longer serve you. You can feel a calling to connect and to serve a higher purpose. Your purpose feels bigger than yourself. You feel a strong sense of duty towards the universe. You want to help others. You want to help communities. You want to teach. You want to bring ancestral wisdom. You want to bring spiritual wisdom. You want to guide and you want to heal people somehow, whether through word of mouth, whether ukuthi uyabafundisa, or whether ukuthi uyabakhulekela, ukuthi ubanika imithi. In whichever way you are drawn into the teaching, healing, and the knowledge world of spirituality. This is the awakening's gift to you. And understand, Bagwetu, it's not everybody that can understand these concepts that we are taught, these concepts that we download so easily. You might hear something, uyiqonde, and you take it for granted, which you understand umsamo, the makeup of it, the intricate nature of umsamo, the intricate nature of imithi, ukuthi isebenza kanjani, the spiritual, the physical properties, understanding chakras. There's people ukuthi mawungathi umfundisa the chakriatric system adideke zashibilike abhahazele ngekhanda phansi. Because awakening comes with the gift of being able to understand the higher things, the higher spiritual things, in order for you to serve your mission, in whichever way your mission is going to express itself. And that would be sign number 5, guys. So if you recognize any of these signs, you're welcome to go into our comment section. Usho ukuthi, oh mkhulu, I've seen this, oh mkhulu, I've seen that, or usho ukuthi mkhulu ayikho lento ikhulumayo and ngicela ukukhululele sigqoke isibopho siyadina. Please hit up the comment section, share your experience, and don't forget to like, share, subscribe, guys. Please like, share, subscribe, comment, go into the channel, look at the other content, share it with people you believe it might assist in the future. Hit the bell to get notifications when new videos come out. Please guys, ngicela nishaye the bell man, ukuze ungatholi episode seyindlule kudala engiyirekhode 6 months ago ukhani when uyithola, so that you can keep up to date. Ukhumbule ukuthi nginceku lenu, the knowledge comes to me, I pass it to you guys. Crusader lo igedla lama shkrishkri inyanga yamakhosi, ngithi ngithanda ngothando lukaMvelinqangi emakhosini.